All right, so this is the pot filler that we chose for above our stove range top here. As you can see, we went the 48-inch stove, so we have a pretty big backsplash and then quite a bit of distance up to the vent. Zooming in here a little bit, you'll see that it's a black color that goes with the rest of our kitchen. It's really sleek looking. It extends all the way out to here. Pretty sturdy when it's in the wall, but it does reach that front burner, which is really, really nice. Operation wise, if you have the back dial in the on position here, and then you can open that front one, and you get quite a bit of water flow coming out of here. So yeah, it's been super convenient for us. Works really, really well. Haven't had any problems with it at all. And then as you can see, it folds right back in to our backsplash there. Really pretty tight against the wall there. You could have it that way, you could have it this way. So we've been really happy with it so far. Had it for about 6 months, haven't had a single issue with it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting one of these if you're going for kind of a more luxury upscale look for your kitchen area.
Today I'm going to review this kitchen pot filler. It is a double hinge, very easy to install. It's great and convenient for filling big pots so you don't have to carry them from the sink over to your stove. It's lead free and it is no drip. It has great water pressure. The no drip is great because then it doesn't leave watermarks on your wall, on the top of your stove. We've had this for over a year now and we've had no issues with it. It's been great and it leaves a very classy, sleek, elegant design for above your stove.
Hi, today I'm reviewing this kitchen pot filler. It features a folding faucet double joint swing arm that makes it convenient to fill your pots right on the stove instead of having to fill them at your kitchen sink and then carrying them to the stove. It comes in a black matte, brushed nickel, or brushed gold. It's lead-free, rust-resistant, and my handyman said it was very easy to install. Comes with full instructions as well. I love the convenience of this pot filler. And it adds a touch of style to my already industrial kitchen decor. Got great water flow. And I just love the way it looks. Underneath this, or above the stove and underneath my hood. Great purchase. Thank you.